Hey guys, it's Derek, JVI Secret Gardens, and I'm unbelievably excited about this because this is something I've wanted for so incredibly long. And so let me tell you the story. Here's the story. I wanted some sort of office outside of our regular garden center office, something that customers could come into and kind of like a design center. But I do need a space here myself, and also Jamie, our pond girl, she needs a space as well. So originally I wanted to do a shipping container, and I saw this thing downtown. They had taken two sides completely out, putting glass. It was really this modern feel, and I was like, that's so amazing. I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna put it like in our display area, and I'm gonna cantilever it over a pond. And then recently I was in Florida and I just happened to open up this book, and it was literally called Surf Shacks, and the very first thing that I saw was a classic Airstream. If you guys know anything about Airstreams, it's that classic travel trailer that you pull around. I've always wanted one of those, and now what I really want to show you guys is the piece itself. It's here. It's a 1972 classic Airstream, and it's all original. This thing's like a time capsule. Originally, I wanted to like rip everything out of it and make it this whole modern thing, but I don't think I want to. I think I literally want to take this thing and just leave it like it is, so that when customers come in, they can literally go back in time. And just imagine there's gonna be a water feature out there and everybody gets to hang out with it. And then we have a really cool office. Obviously, this is just our parking area where we keep all of our equipment. This is just temporary. Where I really want this to go is over here. The team's over here. They've been working the last couple of days. We got to demo a bunch of stuff because this area, this is like our catch-all. This is the space that this is really behind the scenes. We don't want you guys to see this when you come in. So we've had to remove a bunch of this stuff because I want that to go here. So let's walk over and check out exactly the vision of what's going to happen. Well, looky here, the whole team's here. Say what up, everybody. So this is our display area. I'm sure you saw other videos that we've done on this space, and my idea is to take the Airstream and basically it needs to be parked over in that area. So in order to do that, we can only do it in the wintertime because normally our garden center, as you've seen in other videos, is just stocked full of beautiful plants, but right now it's kind of vacant. There's not a lot going on. So we're gonna have to bring this thing from the front, park it, or not park it, but literally back it up all in the space, parallel park it in here, but all of this has got to go away. And my idea is to roll out the awning, put down some AstroTurf, put out a grill like the pink flamingo, like Travis said, and like just, I mean, I want this to feel like 1972, sitting by a water feature, but I want you guys to come in and enjoy it as well as we get to enjoy it as our space. So look forward to part 2 when we'll show you the finished product.